Have you ever looked at a plant and wondered, why isn't it growing like it should? Today, I'm breaking down plant diseases, fast. Here's what we'll cover: how to spot underdeveloped plant tissues, the difference between symptoms and signs, and the main types of plant diseases. First, let's talk about underdevelopment. Ever seen a plant with tiny twisted leaves, stubby roots, or weak stems? Maybe its flowers or fruit look undersized or never appear at all. That's underdevelopment, and it usually means the plant's stressed out. It could be missing key nutrients, struggling with lousy soil, or it might be facing the early stages of a disease. Sometimes it's hard to tell what's wrong at first glance, but stunted growth is your plant waving a red flag. So how do you recognize a disease? Here's the trick: pay attention to both symptoms and signs. Symptoms are what the plant does: yellow leaves, wilting, brown spots, curled edges, or just plain not thriving like we just talked about. These are the plant's SOS signals. Signs, on the other hand, are the actual evidence of a pathogen. Think fuzzy mold, powdery mildew, slimy ooze, or those weird rust-colored bumps. Sometimes you'll see a mosaic pattern on leaves, classic sign of a viral infection. When you spot symptoms and signs together, you're getting a clearer picture of the problem, so you can act fast. Now, what kinds of diseases are we dealing with? There are three big ones: fungal, bacterial, and viral. First up, fungal diseases. These are super common and love damp conditions. Ever seen powdery mildew on leaves or blackened, mushy roots? That's fungi at work, spreading by tiny spores. Next, bacterial diseases. These show up as wilts or blights. Look for wet spots, black streaks, or sticky ooze. Bacteria often hitch rides on water or insects and can spread fast if you're not careful. Finally, viral diseases. Unlike fungi and bacteria, you can't cure a viral infection. Common examples include mosaic virus or curly top, often spread by insects like aphids or by using contaminated tools. The best you can do is manage the spread and remove infected plants. Here's the bottom line: catching issues early, whether it's stunted growth, weird spots, or fuzzy mold, can save your plants and maybe even your whole garden. So keep your eyes open, stay curious, and happy growing.